We interrupt the program for a tornado warning which has just been issued for Clay County in North Carolina. That's in this area right here with heavy thunderstorms possibly producing a tornado are located farther west in North Carolina. They are moving eastward at about 40 miles an hour. So these storms to the west possibly may move on into the Clay County area within, say, 30 minutes or so. The tornado warning is until 3:30, moving toward Hot House, Sunny Point, Friendship, the Leticia area, and Bellevue. So it's a tornado warning for Clay County. In addition to that, we have severe thunderstorm warnings now from near Blue Ridge and westward, almost all the way back to the Alabama state line for another intense thunderstorm that is occurring there. So the tornado warning is for Clay County. We do not have an imminent storm for you in Clay County, North Carolina, but we do have hail-producing and high wind storms. They're out in far northwest Georgia, approaching the Blue Ridge area. And in Dade and Walker County, we've had reports of trees down, power line down, hail up to 1/4 inch in diameter. Other heavy storms are occurring now back toward the Lafayette area. Those are also moving toward the east. So here's the immediate severe thunderstorm warning up in the northwest Georgia County areas around Dalton, Chatsworth. This shows us that we have a hail probability of 70%. Hail size at this point was estimated to be 1/2 inch, but we've had hail up to 1 1/4 inches or so already reported in that area. We slide down along the line now. We have a couple of very intense storms now, one entering Chattooga County to the west and southwest of Somerville. These storms are moving on toward the east about 54 miles an hour. This tells us in this particular storm that we have winds rotating in a 6-mile wide diameter area of 80 miles an hour. So that's telling us potentially, number one, is telling us that we have a rotating thunderstorm, and number two, it's telling us we may have the genesis here of a tornado in this particular storm, which is still west of the Georgia line, but moving very rapidly to the eastward at 54 miles an hour. And that's going to cut across Chattooga County and northern Floyd County. No warning other than severe thunderstorm warning for those at the present time. We open it up a little bit wider, Steve. When we look out to the west and southwest, we still see lots of thunderstorms north of Gadsden, north of the Birmingham area, west and southwest of the Birmingham area. A lot of those are fairly new storms within the last 1 or 2 hours. So this storm system is still intensifying as it goes and builds and moves on toward the east at 50 miles an hour or so. So repeating again, we have the tornado warning valid until 3:30 p.m. for the Clay County, North Carolina area. We do not have tornado warnings in the North Georgia counties at this time, but we do have severe thunderstorm warnings in the northern and northwestern counties, at least for the next 30 minutes or so. But that is obviously going to be extended. Those severe thunderstorm warnings for northwest Georgia are going to continue as we go through the afternoon hours. So we're going to continue to follow that very closely, and we'll have further updates for you in another few minutes on these storms.